everybody, it's EK from EK Gorman Designs, and I am unboxing a new kit from White Rose Crafts. It is the January Watercolor Dreams kit. This is a fun, curated kit with almost a full collection of goodies in it that are actually from a coordinating kit, so you're really going to get some real fun within everything. I will tell you, all the papers that come with the kit are not actually shown in the unboxing today. Sometimes these kits get put together so quickly that they're still waiting for shipping. They get put together quickly for me, so I can unbox them and show them. But they get put together so quickly that not everything's in yet. So I will be getting the papers. Actually, I think I'm getting them today in the mail. But I'm unboxing without showing the Couture Creations L'Aquarelle 6x6 paper set. But if you take a look at these cards right here, which is part of the collection, I think you're going to get a glimpse of what the paper looks like. That's going to be in the kit. I promise as soon as I get them in my next video, I will share the beautiful papers with it. But look at these ephemera cards. They've all got really cool sentiments on it. The colors are just stunning. It's like a big old watercolor. Thus the name of the Watercolor Dreams. But I like all the little sentiments. And yes, I'm like a child who just can't help but want to pop the bubble wrap when I see it. Yeah, all I want to do is pop every one of these out because that's what they're supposed to do, but I figured nobody actually wanted to watch me pop them out. And I'm really excited to play with these cards. I think they're just stunning, and I like the sentiments on them. Also included in the kit, you get count them, four folded prefab card frames. They're all different sizes, and each of them has a coordinating envelope. So you've got this itty bitty little teeny tiny card here, and it's on a really pretty metallic reflecting. You've got this smallish card, smaller than an A2 frame. You have the square white card, and this is larger than an A2 frame, but it's this texturized pink card frame. So, four really cool card frames to go with it, which kind of expand what you can kind of do with it. You're also going to get a full packet of Martha Stewart doily lace embossed hearts. You're going to get 2 different half yards of ribbon. One of the ribbons is a floral lace ribbon, and now you're going to get to watch me fight baggaging. So this is the floral lace ribbon, and you can see the really pretty floral, subtle floral within the lace. And you're also going to get some of this white vine ribbon, and I love the vine ribbon. I've used it before. I think it's really cool. I haven't used it in white yet. Part of the coordinating kit is this Couture Creations L'Aquarelle metal trinkets, and they actually match the papers and the ephemera cards beautifully. The birds are a continuous theme within this collection. You also, to finish the collection, you're also going to get the Couture Creations L'Aquarelle collection, beautiful inside and out stamp set. And I like that this is a stamp set you could color, but you could also create your own printed paper with it. You're going to get the American Crafts Colorful Hearts ribbon. You're going to get a Scrapberry Stains ink and green, and I'm going to pop it open. You're going to get to watch me fight the plastic, but I'm going to pop it open and show you kind of how the stains ink. If you're familiar with a water-based ink that you can move, like you can stamp out and then get wet, this is the same kind of idea. So here's a scrap of watercolor paper, and the green looks really harsh to begin with. Like it looks like very vibrant and pine greeny. But the moment you get it wet, it turns into this really lovely soft green. I am a big fan of this Stains ink. I think it's really versatile. I think you can get a deep green and you can blend it out into a soft green. And it really has a pack for its punch and pigment. You can just look how far I'm pushing that color, and I'm not even really trying. So there you go. It's that dark green that turns into a really lovely aqua green. And you're also going to get some Dovecraft glitter glue in rose. And if you haven't used the Dovecraft glitter glue, it's translucent binder with opaque glitter, so it actually dries really stunning. Yeah, it's hardy, it holds up, it doesn't flake off. I'm a big fan of the Dovecraft. I've been using it for a while with White Rose Crafts. So there is your January Watercolor Dreams. I hope you're as excited about this. Stay tuned. I'm going to start sharing different ways to play with this. And until then, happy crafting.